Hey guys, it's Joey here. Today I'm going to be unboxing these cards that I got at Dollar Tree, and yep, this Presti pack I got for $1.50. It's pristine trading card packs, established 2007. 6 trading cards, basketball, and on the back it says affordable quality fun. And there's this blurb on the back about like the copyright and all that. Pristine, made in the USA, made in USA, packaged in Canada. So I'm gonna open this. It's interesting that I am actually older than this company. So let's start that unboxing. I'm going to use I'm gonna use my trusty scissors here to unbox it. So now, just gotta. All right, and as I could see on the front, my first card is Nerlens Noel. I mean, you can correct me if I'm not pronouncing his name right, but nonetheless, here he is, my all new card. Yeah, Nerlens Noel. Noel Nerlens. I don't follow the Western Conference as much, so you can correct me if I'm wrong about his name or whatever. But yeah, it's really cool. Oklahoma City Thunder, nice glossy card. I like it. Very good player though. I know of him. Yep. Oh, and you can see Los Angeles Clippers players in the background, which is cool. And on the back here, it's not gonna show it properly here, but it says on the back here, Nerlens Noel. Yeah, I was right. I was right about his name. Yeah, Oklahoma City Thunder, an avid protector of the rim. Noel also does his best to rip it down on the other end, holding the Pelicans at bay on November 2nd, 2019. The big man swatted away 6 shots, stuffing his own shots through the hoop. He hammered home 3 dunks during the home win, including a sweet alley-oop finish in the third quarter. Center. Year 19 through 20. Team Thunder. Career goals 61. Wait. And for overall career 361. Field goal percentage. Oh yeah, and this card is from Donruss 20 through 21. So this is from 2020 through 2021, which is why there's data information. But still cool that makes the card more rare. This Panini card here, Donbus, yeah, number 149. And and for field goal percentage .684, career percentage .543, free throws .655, career 648. Three point margin is 1, but career is 2. Rebound percentage 4.9, career 6.2. Assist percentage 0.9, career 6.2. I'm just going to speed up here to save time on this video. I'll just skip certain parts of it that aren't important. as important. Um, Blocks, 91. Career, 501. Points, 449. Career, 2,894. Points per game, 7.4. Career, 8.0. Height, 6 feet and 10 inches. Weight, 220 pounds. From Kentucky, the college, University of Kentucky. There's the NBA logo, Panini logo, 2020 through 2021 Donruss basketball. 2020 this came out. Yeah, for the 2020-2021 season. So that's a nice first pull. That's a good pull. You know? Yeah, and now we've got another card. We've got another card coming up. We've got a classic player. We have Tracy Moore from the Dallas Mavericks. As you can see, he's the old Dallas Mavericks jersey he got, and he's got the old Dallas Mavericks logo from the old days. And there's I'm not an expert on Mavericks, so you can tell me like when this logo was retired. Exactly, and you can see the Atlanta Hawks in the background, which is nice. So yeah, and yeah, he was a guard, and yeah, let's see on the back what it says. Classic. I noticed it's a nice mix of classic and more modern cards with players that are in the NBA right now, which is cool. Yeah. So on the back here, yeah, it's this really cool old style like card. Guard Tracy Lamont Moore, born December 28th, 1965, in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Height 6 feet and 4 inches. Weight 200 pounds. College Tulsa. Drafted, not drafted. Undrafted player. And this is from 1993, this card. Wow. NBA properties, etc. Well, this is an insane pull. The official NBA basketball card, 1993 Skybox International. Wow, from before I was born even. College record. Year 84 through 85. Tulsa, Team Tulsa. Goal percentage 31. Field goal percentage .49. Free throw percentage 7 points. Field goal percentage .49, .493. Free throw percentage .733. Rebound percentage 25. 183 points. 183. Average 5.9. 85 through 86 Tulsa. Year 85 through 86 Tulsa. Team Tulsa. Goal percentage 32, field goal percentage 479, free throw percentage .750, free throw percentage that's .755, rebounds 114, points 539, average 16.8. Year 86 for 87, Team Tulsa, goal percentage 30. Field goal percentage .458, free throw percentage .721, rebound percentage 127, points 506, average 16.9. 87.88, 87 through 88 Tulsa, year 87 through 88, Team Tulsa, goal percentage 28, field goal percentage .437, free throw percentage .722. Rebound percentage 128, points 595, average 21.3. Totals 121 for goal points 121, field goal .461, free throw .733, rebounds 394. Points 1,823, average 15.1. NBA rookie record. Year 91-92, Team Dallas, goal percentage 42, field goal percentage 400, .400, free throw percentage .833, rebounds 82. I will just skip the statistics from here on out and but it's a very cool card. I just want to save time here, but this is an insane pull, yeah. Again, it's an insane pull, yeah, very. It's a great pull, yeah. So I'll definitely keep this. This is a rare card, so I'll keep it safe, yeah. All right, moving on to the next one. We have John Williams, nice. Another old card we've got, which is great. It's got a John Williams of the Cleveland Cavaliers. Very nice card here. Another old style card. It's actually back for front. I guess they packaged these sloppily, but this is still cool though. Really cool, like on the front here, if I show you. John Williams, yeah, really nice picture they got here of him, man. John Williams of the Cleveland Cavaliers, which is where he was playing at the time, just like Tracy Moore with the Dallas Mavericks, and Nerlens Noel with the Oklahoma City Thunder. But yeah, this is really cool. I like that. This is maybe my favorite so far. Just what a great, I mean, just what a great picture it is, you know? And it's John Williams. John Williams, born 8/9/62, in Sorrento, Louisiana. Height 6 feet 11 inches. Weight 230 pounds. College Tulane, drafted second round, pick for 45. Cleveland, 1985. 1993 Fleer Corp, printed in USA, and 1993 NBA properties, etc. So but it's really cool though on the back that they have the statistics, but I'm not going to read them not going to read the stats just to save time. So, but this is really, I love this. This is my favorite card so far. It's a really nice card, yeah. So yeah. All of these are great, but yeah. I mean, and next, like, moving on to like, we've got, I forget exactly how you pronounce this guy's name, but yeah, Larry, whatever his last name is. If you know, you can tell me how to pronounce it. Yeah, he was a forward for the Milwaukee Bucks, and they've got the old logo here and the old jersey. It's very nice. On the back here, you know, they've got, it's a really cool, like, old style card. I like that. Yeah, it says, yeah, this guy, born, yeah, this is from before my time, so I don't know how to pronounce his name. This is a little bit before my time, so yeah, but yeah, like, born 9/23/64, height 6'10", weight 240, College Montana University. Yeah, and this is from 1989. Wow, I really like this card. Yeah, so I'm gonna. Yeah, I mean, like, yeah, but moving on. Yeah, like, yeah, all right, yeah. I mean, like, yeah, and like, oh wow, and we have a really cool card here. Antoine Carr, forward, Sacramento Kings. Wow, this is a really cool one. It's even got the old logo, like a really old style card. I really like it. Very nice. You know? You know? You know? Born July 23rd, 1961, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Height 6'9", weight 235, college Wichita State, drafted first round pick 8. Detroit, 1983, Antoine Labat Carr. Acquired from Atlanta with Cedric Toney in exchange for Kenny Smith and Michael Williams, 214.90. Averaged over 18 points and 5 rebounds in 33 games with Kings. Shot league high 696 from the field in 9 games during 1987 NBA playoffs. Copyright 1990 NBA Properties Incorporated, the official NBA basketball card. I really, this might be my favorite so far. I really like this one. Such a vintage card, and it's got the old Sacramento Kings logo from way back, and him wearing the old jersey. It's so nice. It's such a great card, you know. So I really like this. Awesome. You know, it really is a nice card. And now my last one, you know. And this is a really nice card. Really cool, like this, for Gerald Wilkins. Really nice photo on the front here. I love this photo, yeah. Gerald Wilkins of the New York Knicks. This is so nice. Such a nice old card here. You know, nice vintage. It's like, got the old Knicks logo on the back here, and Gerald Wilkins, illustrated by Robert Rodriguez. And you've got like all the stats from the 1991 New York Knicks, and this is obviously copyright 1990 NBA Properties Incorporated, the official NBA basketball card. It's funny it states here like no longer with team, since he had left the Knicks at this point from NBA Hoops. Really cool. All these cards are great, but this one I know I keep saying this, but this might be my favorite. It's a really cool vintage card for Gerald Wilkins. Really cool. I love this so much. Yeah. But I think I'm gonna wrap this video up now. But these are really nice cards, and I just really nice rare cards, and I just vintage. I did not expect to pull so many like great cards. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna definitely keep these safe and clean. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. You know, and I hope I didn't get any facts wrong, wrong, yeah. I don't think I did, but if you did, you can tell me politely in the comments. But thank you. And this has been Joey here again, signing. And I know this isn't a food video, which is what I've been doing a lot lately, like mainly food shorts and videos a little bit. But I decided like. But I think this would also be a good decision for my channel, since unboxings are always so popular on YouTube. But anyway, thank you all for watching, and goodbye.